You ask and you receive. Look, by now we know that AI is here to stay and it's not going anywhere. Now, what does this actually mean? It means that more companies are looking for people who have AI skills. If you're interested in GRC, privacy, data protection, anything, even cybersecurity as a whole, understanding how AI applies to cybersecurity is so important. So how are we securing the use of those tools? Companies want people with these skills, and that's what we're going to look into in this video. Is we're going to look at certifications that you should get. The very first certification is a certified ethical emerging technologist, and this certification is by Seth Nessos. The requirement for this certification, I know oftentimes the thing is, what is a requirement? I don't have the requirement. There is no specific requirement for you to get the certification. The certification goes into ethics. What are the ethical implications of using AI? What are those things that we should know about? Now, the price of this exam is $250. The estimated time to study is approximately 2 to 3 months of preparation. The study materials are available on the SET website, which is this website right here. It has the exam. It has a class to learn about the certification. It tells you what you're going to get from the certification, the jobs that are applicable to this exam. So if your jobs falls into any of this, or if any of this is something you're interested in, the certification will definitely help you. I'm going to have it linked in the description box below. They provide you with the study materials on the website. The domains that are covered are ethical considerations in technologies, risk assessment, management for AI, data governance, privacy, compliance with AI and emerging technologies. Hiring managers, what do they look out for? So recognized for roles that involve governance and ethics of the use of technologies, demonstrating a commitment to ethical technology management. The benefits of the certification is that it will provide you with the knowledge that you need to address ethical and compliance challenges in AI. So, is the AI fair? Is it safe? Is it responsible? Is the AI transparent? Also, benefits will be, you'll be valuable for a lot of roles. I think listed here we saw all the roles that can be ascribed or benefit from the can benefit from the certification. So how long is certification valid? It's valid for 3 years and then requires continuing education for renewal. The next certification we're looking at is AI governance, ensuring ethical and responsible AI by Coursera, and there is no prerequisite as well for this. There's no requirements to take the certification, just for anyone who's interested in learning about AI ethics and governance like you are. The price is $49 per month for all courses on Coursera. Your estimated time to study will be 4 to 6 weeks. The study material, you have models, you have reading, you have video lectures, you have interactive assessment, interactive assignments and case studies. The Coursera website right here. Take a quick look at the Coursera website. You can see responsible AI principles and ethical considerations, what you're going to learn, what it's about, what your outcome would be from taking the training. These are the models covered. So fair AI, transparent AI, accountability, governance, privacy, security. Similar domains as the first certification. The roles are also very similar to what we saw in the first certification. The benefits are quite similar as well. So you can pick any one of the certifications that is more drawn to you. So this certification is also focused on the ethics as well, and the responsible use of AI. How long? We've already gone over that. And this one comes highly recommended just because I know that is a recognized certification by hiring managers. So this is by IAPP, and it is the Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional. Also, for this certification, you don't need any requirements to take the certification. The exam is $600 for IAPP members and $750 for non-members. You need at least an estimate of 3 to 4 months to study for the exam. The study materials are also available on the website. The domain at the top is covered: AI governance frameworks, ethical AI, risk management, regulatory and compliance considerations, data governance and privacy in AI. So if you're really looking for something that is more rounded, I would say this is a certification you want to go to, because it talks about ethics, it talks about governance, it talks about risk, it talks about compliance. So pretty much the GRC of using AI, right? Governance, risk, compliance, ethics, data governance and privacy. This is a certification I would highly recommend. The roles that has to do with AI governance and compliance, also similar to roles in the first certification. The benefits you're gonna get will be giving you skills, AI risk skills, how to comply with regulations, how to comply with AI laws and regulations, being able to draw up AI governance frameworks, policies as well. So this certification, it's also valid for 3 years and requires continuing education for renewal. Do you need prior experience? We already established that you don't need prior experience for this certification. So let's look at the website quickly. So this is what the IAPP website looks like. And for the certification, this is the certification itself. It tells you a bit about the certification, why you need the certification, handouts on the certification, handbook for the certification, and you can start today if you want. So this is a great certification to take if you want to learn about all things AI. I did a short video because I know a lot of people are asking about what certifications can I get for AI GRC. And this is definitely one of the certifications that you can get. And I want to do honorable mention, which is from Security, spelled with I at the end. So SECURITI.ai, Security or Securita. They have a AI security and governance certification that is completely free. And this certification, I took it, and it took about the weekend. It took the whole weekend, Saturday and Sunday, to go through the learning and really understand the learning. So you can also, that's how long it's going to take. It's completely free. There is no requirement that you need to take the certification. So definitely go take the certification. I'm going to link all this in the description box for you. If you enjoy this video, you're going to enjoy the next video on CISP domains. So click right here.